Hello, today I'm going to show you a few tools on the carpentry room. And over here, you see some of the tools. Here, we have the chisel, And basically, if you have a piece of plank, like this piece of plank here, you can take it, then you can make smooth, like do this, smooth pro, of course. Then you can make it smooth. And if you want some help with the chisel, you can always have a hammer. And the hammer helps you. If you can hit it right here, so you can get like more force with a chisel, so you can do it better. And you can see here, if you see the chisel again, it has a steel, not like a blade, but kinda like a blade. Then you have the plastic. You can have like a rubber cap up here, so you won't destroy the plastic like you can see here. It's all frizzled up and stuff. Here we have the hammer again. You have the metal and the hammer head and a claw to take off the nails and stuff. You see the claw right here, and the hammer head. Then you have the grip, all made of rubber, or usually rubber. I'm trying to twist as hard as I can, but it's when you hold it together, you really get a good grip. Yeah. And here we have the drill. You have a drill, and you can see right here, it's a locking mechanism. You engage the lock when you have it in the middle. If you see on both sides, it's in the middle. And if you press in one side, you can either take it on if you want to drill into something, or if you take the other side, you can drill it out of something. I can show you quickly a little bit of drilling. So you have the drill right here. I put it on so it will drill into. Yeah, you see? Then you just press it down. You need to remember to have a firm hold on it. Hold it firmly. And you always need to remember to hold it 90 degrees, like it's always pointing down if you want to do it downwards. Then you can just start it. And even now, I'm going to take it off. So you see, and on the drill, you can either have it in high gear. You can see it stands high or low gear, and you can adjust so it won't be like stopping if it's too rough. Now I'm going to engage the lock, and you can see I made a perfect hole. You can see through. Here we see the drill again. As you notice, there's a big black box under it. It's basically just a battery. So you have a battery. So now I can't use it. You see, and now I locked it. So you just put it on, and then you just drill with a hand drill. Now I'm going to show you the jigsaw. Here we have the jigsaw. I'm sorry, but I can't really show anything about it. Okay, so you have gears almost right here. So you can like take it in gear 1, gear 2, and gear 3, and then 0. It's not really gears, but how fast this will go. Then you have the on and off switch. And then you have the blade, it goes up and down. So if you have it bored, you just take it on like this. It will saw through, and you can like make curves and everything. You make like curves, doing like this. Take it forwards. Make it, if you want to have like a 90-degree turn in middle of a plank, you can use the jigsaw, saw in, and then make it turn like this, and then you just like make the 90 degrees turn off the wheel. And the second last tool I'm going to show you is a circular saw. As you can see, it's a saw. Here you have the motor inside here, and here you have the blade. It turns around like this way, you see, and then you have like the guard. You can take it up and down. But if you actually do saw with it like this, yeah, the table is a mess, but that's usually all a mess anyways. You have the saw, and then you just saw it, but when you turn it on, you have the on and off switch, so you press it in, you see? It will, the saw will spin up really fast, so it will spin through the grain, or rip the grain, depends on how you want to do it. Yeah, okay, this is the last thing I'm going to show you guys. Okay, here you have a saw. It's kind of like a circular saw, you just saw. But it's mounted on a table, so it's a table saw. So you have the saw, you have the guard right here. You can't open the guard because you need to, I just need to adjust the nuts there. You have like a locking mechanism. You engage the lock when it is down like that. Now I'm gonna take it all the way down, like that. So you have a piece of plank, right? And you want to saw it in half. So what you do is to measure how long the plank is this way, and then you divide it by 2. So then you have it like that. I already did that, so just put it down, and this is actually on, so I can just like you see. So I'm gonna show you how to cut through the wood. You can't just like do it like that. It will be all wrong. So you need to, if it's like this saw, you need to wait until it's powered up. So you can hear it, but or maybe not because of my phone shut. So I'm gonna saw straight right now. And you need to remember, if you want to saw something, do not hold right under the saw, because that will hurt you. Under the blade, like this, you do not do that, because then you cut off your fingers, of course. You hold it firmly against the fence, and then you put the saw down, start it up, and then just cut through. You can't probably hear me while I'm sawing because this is so loud. but I will show you. So here we have two pieces, almost correct. It's cut in half. If you see it, it's a really minor fail. Like it has like a few, like a 1 millimeter more than one of them. You can always cut them in 2 in half as well, but or you can actually, and you like this saw, you can take it on like 30 degrees. So you saw something at 30 degrees. So you line it up, take it out, make sure you use most of the wood, so you don't cut like in the middle of the. You cut usually in the half, not at the end. So you cut here. So I started the saw and then just cut through in 30 degrees, and let's see. Here we have a perfect 30 degrees. And one thing I forgot to mention is you always should have safety goggles on. If not, the splinters and dust can go right up in your eyes and then destroy your eyesight. Well, this was the carpentry room.